Hi, I'm Stacey Page. Welcome to the 5-Minute Fix podcast, weekly meditations to soothe, heal, and inspire. We are meant to transform. We're meant to become better and better versions of ourselves throughout our life, to shed old skin, to emerge from our self-made cocoons, and to fly to greater and greater levels. Is it easy? No. It involves confronting our pain and trauma, facing our hurt and anger, and somehow, someway, transforming all of that into power and wisdom, making our lives more fulfilling and rewarding. Easy? No. Worth it? Always. Let's move in. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. As you breathe in, feel your body expand with your breath. As you release your breath, feel yourself soften and relax. A few more times, slowly inhaling, filling your body with breath. Gently exhaling, softening, releasing tension and tightness. As you soften, feel yourself drifting underneath your thoughts, your chatty mind, into your heart space, your soul space. This space is your authentic self, the truth of who you are. You are an individualized expression of the one power, the one presence that is spirit, that is the universe. You are sourced, supported, and sustained from the infinite source of all that is. You are an expression of, an extension of abundance, wisdom, joy, peace. Anything unlike the high vibration that is your true self is not part of your essence. It's here to teach you about you. Like the caterpillar goes through the chrysalis to become a butterfly, so too do we bring our pain and our trauma, our hurt, our letdowns, our fears and feelings of being less than into the chrysalis to emerge more powerful and free. What are you ready to step into and become? For this next moment, allow yourself to sit in the transformational space of the chrysalis. holding any insights, any feelings of expansiveness, begin to bring yourself back. Deepening your breath, feeling yourself grounded in the present moment. And when you're ready, open your eyes. For weekly meditations, tips, and tools delivered directly to your inbox, email me at Stacey@staceypage.com. Namaste, everyone.